Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a powerful new agent framework from Google that is set to revolutionize how we build AI agents. So it is called the Agent Development Kit or ADK. So if you are a developer looking to build and deploy sophisticated AI agents with ease, you're in the right place. In this video, we will cover what ADK is, its features, core components, and even walk through some of the simple code to get you started. So, let's jump right in. Now, let us understand what is Agent Development Kit. Think of ADK as flexible and modular framework for building AI agents. So, what do you mean by modular framework? So, it may mean that it's built in separate independent modules that can be combined or swapped without affecting the entire system. With respect to Google ADK, modular usually means it has a core agent module that handles agents' basic lifecycle, or it may have a connector modules that may integrate with APIs, databases, or other service. And it may have tool modules which adds on capabilities like search summarization and code execution. So, while ADK is optimized for Google Gemini models, it's designed to be model agnostic, which means that you can use ADK with other large language models as well. So, what is the goal of ADK? It is to make building AI agent feel like traditional software development. It provides the tools and structure you need to create everything from simple single-purpose agents to complex multi-agent systems. So, this means less time worrying about the underlying architecture and more time focusing on what makes your agent more unique. Now let's explore some of the key features of Agent Development Kit. So, the first feature of ADK is its flexible orchestration. This means that you can build different types of agents, be it a simple rule-based agents or complex AI-driven agents like a chatbot. The next feature is its multi-agent architecture. It means that ADK lets you create systems where multiple agents work together, each specializing in a different skill. ADK also has a rich tool ecosystem. It means ADK comes with pre-built tools that are ready-made capabilities which you can plug into your agents. ADK is deployment ready, which means that you can deploy and make your agent available to use very easily, whether it's on your local machine for testing or on cloud platforms for global access. ADK has a built-in evaluation. That means that ADK has testing and monitoring tools to measure how well your agent is performing. Okay, so now let's explore the core concepts of ADK. The agent is the heart of your application. An agent is given a set of instructions and tools, and it uses these to reason and respond to the user input. The next is the memory. Memory is where your agent stores information from conversations. So, it allows the agent to remember from past interaction and maintain context, which leads to more natural and intelligent conversations. The next are the tools. These are the functions that your agent can use to interact with the outside world. This could be anything from a simple calculator to a complex API that fetches real-time data. So, by combining these core concepts, you can build powerful agents that can understand, remember, and act.